Hello, in front of me I've got Hollow Knight Silksong. In this video I'll show you how to craft traps. In the beginning, let's go to menu. In menu, go to Crest, and as you can see right here we've got few free slots. In those slots we can equip traps, gear and weapons, and also skills. You can craft the traps by going to Blacksmith. Blacksmith is located in Deep Docks right here, the first blacksmith. Talk to him, and as you can see, you can craft gear. Sometimes you only need currency, but sometimes you need additional materials. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.